Samsung just nailed it with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and you could find multiple reasons to switch from S22 Ultra to Galaxy S23 Ultra or from Pixel 7 Pro to S23 Ultra. Because there is no match when we talk about the S23 Ultra performance and the way to hold up against the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Now everyone talks about the cameras and performance of S23 Ultra, but the biggest update over the year we get on the S23 Ultra is its battery. There is no match if we talk about the S22 Ultra battery or even Pixel 7 Pro, because S23 Ultra can hold you all day long with almost 7 hours of screen on time. But if you're using S23 Ultra consistently, you can get around 11 hours and a couple of minutes on it, which is close to iPhone 14 Pro Max. But one thing iPhone 14 Pro Max cannot do is its charging speed. Yes, S23 Ultra can easily get charged from 0 to 100% within just 57 or 58 minutes with original 45 watt fast charger from Samsung. So considering this, S23 Ultra is way ahead from competition. Let me know in the comments, how was your experience with your S23 Ultra and did you really switch? Now, One UI 5.1 is something really amazing and gives you a much smoother experience than ever. Samsung improves animations on One UI 5.1 and some new features like object extraction and light mode. Well, if you have used S23 Ultra, then you better know about this before, because with this new feature, you can even extend the battery on your S23 Ultra and it works really well. The Expert RAW mode is now built into the S23 Ultra camera settings. Also, the new camera assistant app which you can use to control multiple features on your S23 Ultra. Talking about the camera, S23 Ultra brings more natural color, and zoomed in shots are really good if you take the shot with the 200 megapixel camera. Other three lenses are about the same, but video recording is something Samsung improved a lot, as the 4K portrait video mode is now available on S23 Ultra and 8K video at 30 FPS just added a new field to video recording on S23 Ultra. Some added features like overclock standard engine 2 works pretty well on S23 Ultra, and I have to say, Samsung might use the same processor in the Fold 5 because the power efficiency on the S23 Ultra is way better than the last generation. At first, the display looks the same, but it's not. S23 Ultra feels more comfy while holding it. The flatter display really plays a major role on this. Although S23 Ultra comes with the same 1750 nits peak brightness, but the OLED panel is different from what we have seen on the S22 Ultra, because S23 Ultra panel is much more power efficient compared to S22 Ultra. Also, if you own S23 Ultra, you might have seen the new update on your S23 Ultra. If so, then go ahead and update your S23 Ultra, because it will fix bugs and will fix the shutter lag on the S23 Ultra. If you guys have S23 Ultra, then you should watch this display issue on your S23 Ultra. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.